The lion is one of the most powerful predators on Earth. Behind its majestic mane and muscular body lies an extraordinary biological system designed for survival. Every layer of its anatomy, from protective skin to powerful muscles and strong bones, works together with remarkable precision. Inside the lion's body, specialized organs control movement, energy, and instinct. Each system plays a vital role in transforming this animal into one of nature's most efficient hunters. And today, we're going to explore the anatomy of the lion, layer by layer, to understand how this incredible predator truly works. Inside the skull of the lion lies its most complex organ, the brain. This powerful structure acts as the command center for the entire body. The brain processes information from the lion's senses, allowing it to detect movement, track prey, and react instantly to its environment. Billions of neurons transmit electrical signals that control muscles, balance, and instinctive hunting behavior. Without this remarkable organ, the lion's strength and speed would have no direction. Every hunt, every movement, and every decision begins here. Deep inside the chest of the lion beats one of the most powerful biological engines in nature, the heart. This muscular organ pumps blood through an intricate network of vessels, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every part of the body. Each heartbeat fuels the lion's strength, powering the muscles that allow it to sprint, leap, and overpower its prey. Inside the heart, specialized chambers and valves ensure that blood flows in the correct direction with perfect efficiency. Without this continuous circulation, the lion's incredible power would quickly fade. Because every movement, every hunt, and every surge of strength begins with the rhythm of the heart. Every powerful movement of the lion depends on one essential element: oxygen. Inside the chest, the lungs continuously draw in air, delivering oxygen to the bloodstream while removing carbon dioxide. This constant exchange fuels the lion's muscles, allowing it to run, chase, and fight with incredible endurance. Within millions of microscopic air sacs called alveoli, oxygen passes into the blood and is carried throughout the body. Without this steady flow of oxygen, even the strongest predator would quickly lose its strength. Because every breath taken by the lion powers the energy behind its survival. The incredible strength of the lion comes from its powerful muscular system. Large skeletal muscles cover the lion's body, allowing it to run, leap, and overpower prey with remarkable force. The shoulders and front legs contain some of the most powerful muscles, enabling the lion to pin down animals much larger than itself. But the true power lies at the microscopic level. Inside each muscle fiber, tiny molecular filaments slide together to generate force. This coordinated contraction allows the lion to unleash explosive bursts of speed and strength during a hunt. It is this muscular power that makes the lion one of the most formidable predators in the animal kingdom. Beneath the powerful muscles of the lion lies a strong and lightweight skeletal framework. The skeleton provides the structure that supports the lion's entire body while protecting vital organs such as the brain, heart, and lungs. Flexible joints and strong limb bones allow the lion to run, leap, and wrestle with prey during a hunt. But the strength of bone comes from its unique microscopic structure. A dense network of calcium minerals forms a rigid yet lightweight framework capable of withstanding tremendous force. Together with muscles and joints, the skeletal system creates the foundation that allows the lion to move with power and precision. The lion is a carnivore, meaning its digestive system is specially designed to process meat. Once prey is captured, powerful jaws tear the flesh into pieces that are swallowed and transported to the stomach. Inside the stomach, strong acids and digestive enzymes rapidly break down proteins and fats. These nutrients are then absorbed through the intestines and delivered into the bloodstream. This process converts food into the energy that fuels the lion's muscles and organs. Without this highly efficient digestive system, the lion would not have the strength needed to hunt and survive in the wild.
A lion's vision is one of its most powerful hunting tools. Its eyes are specially adapted to detect movement and function in low-light environments. Large pupils allow more light to enter the eye, giving the lion exceptional night vision. Inside the retina, specialized rod cells capture even the faintest light signals. These signals travel through the optic nerve to the brain, allowing the lion to track prey with incredible precision. This advanced vision system gives the lion a major advantage when hunting at dawn, dusk, or in darkness.
The lion's jaws are one of the most powerful weapons in the animal kingdom. Large canine teeth act like sharp daggers designed to grip and hold struggling prey. Behind them, specialized carnassial teeth function like scissors, slicing through meat with remarkable efficiency. Strong jaw muscles allow the lion to deliver an incredibly powerful bite. Inside each tooth, layers of enamel and dentin provide both hardness and durability. Together, these features create a bite perfectly designed for a carnivorous predator. It is this deadly combination of teeth and jaw strength that allows the lion to dominate its prey.
The paws of a lion are powerful tools designed for hunting and survival. Hidden within each paw are sharp, retractable claws that remain protected when not in use. When the lion attacks, these claws extend instantly, gripping prey and preventing escape. Soft paw pads allow the lion to move silently, helping it approach prey without being detected. Inside the paw, tendons and muscles control the movement of each claw with incredible precision. Together, the paws and claws provide the lion with both stealth and deadly grip, essential traits for a successful predator.
A lion's hearing is a critical sense for survival. Its ears are capable of detecting even the faintest sounds in the environment. The outer ear collects sound waves and directs them into the ear canal. These vibrations reach the eardrum and are amplified by tiny bones in the middle ear. Inside the cochlea, specialized sensory cells convert these vibrations into electrical signals. These signals travel through the auditory nerve to the brain, allowing the lion to identify the direction and distance of sounds. This advanced hearing system helps the lion detect prey and remain alert to danger in the wild.
A lion's sense of smell is one of its most powerful tools for survival. The nose constantly samples the air, detecting scent molecules carried by the wind. Inside the nasal cavity, specialized receptor cells capture these molecules and convert them into neural signals. These signals travel to the brain, allowing the lion to identify prey, territory, and even other lions nearby. This ability to detect scent from great distances gives the lion a major advantage while hunting. Combined with its sharp vision and hearing, the sense of smell completes the lion's powerful sensory system. The lion is far more than a powerful predator. It is a living masterpiece of biological engineering. From the brain that controls its instincts to the muscles that power its movements, every system works together in perfect coordination. The heart fuels its strength, the lungs supply oxygen, and the nervous system delivers lightning-fast signals across the body. At the microscopic level, trillions of cells work continuously to sustain life. Together, these systems create one of nature's most remarkable hunters, a creature shaped by evolution, refined by survival, and crowned as the king